Yo, I'm Sue, and I'm Sweet Skater. Ready? '360 flip! Oh! Oh yeah. I'm gonna do a cookie. I think. Next time I'll get it. Okay, I'm gonna drop in this box. Okay, and I'm gonna do a board slide. Then, at the end of the hill, I'm gonna do like a sick like kickflip or something. Maybe double or triple. Find out. Almost had it. I'm jealous, right? Got it! Let's go.
I missed it!
They're aliens! They're aliens! Ew, pickers! Okay, I gotta pee. Nah, I'm still. Maybe later. Nolly, ready? Oh! Oh!
That was
I know
sticky.
you're jealous. Ready, pop, shove it. There you go. Almost landed it. Okay. What do you want me to do?
Do a backflip.
Backflip? Okay. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. On the ground. Backflip. Turn it around. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yesterday. It's like the stupid bird over there. It's like humping the other one, and then like messing me up. I mean, it's disgusting. I mean, it's like, oh, it's messing me up. Hey, you standing by radio? That was pretty sick, right?
What the heck's a calf?
I don't know. I think this thing. Oh, it's serious. Ow, ow, it's all. Oh, can't feel it. That thing is gone. Ow. Ah. Oh, save me, Mama. Ow. I want my SpaghettiOs. I want to learn how to tray flip.
Okay.
So, try it. Aren't you supposed to land that? Okay. So, I like put my foot like this.
You're riding switch.
Who cares?
Whatever.
So, and I put it in the pocket of the board.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now do a tray flip.
Tray flip. Ah! Wow!
Try again.
But I almost had it.
I know, like you landed this time. Try again.
I know, you're jealous.
Try again if you want.
I almost flipped it half a time. Here we go. This is it, right here. know what?
How about you do an ollie?
Ollie? That's too easy.
Let's see it.
It's too easy. I told you.
Do an ollie.
It's too easy. Ollie, right here. I almost did one!
Whoa! I've never seen you do that before. Go.
Ollie.
Now do a heel flip or something.
Okay. I can actually almost do this. My pants are gonna fall down.
Way to put your feet in a kickflip position. Go.
I don't know the difference. Actually, I do.
Go.
I'm just testing you guys. Stupid pole.
Go.
Hey, I'm going. Ow. Oops.
Go try a board slide.
Wood slide.
Do it, do it, do it.
It's easy. Let's do a front side, back side. It's too easy. Whoa, did you see that? Shut up, Muse. Okay, back to the flip. Flipped it once. Like, if I landed, it'd be sweet. Heel flip. Actually, kick flip. Hey, it's backwards.
Way to be smart.
That's how smart I am. Yeah,
You done yet?
sure. For now.